Take a slow breath and feel the stillness around you. Let your heart settle into a space of calm, where gratitude quietly blooms and hope stirs within. Today is an invitation, a chance to set gentle intentions and open your spirit to guidance and peace. Will you allow this moment to awaken the strength and light that already reside within you? Take a quiet moment and feel your heart settling into stillness. Let gratitude rise gently for the gift of life, the breath that fills your lungs, and the small blessings often overlooked. Invite guidance to walk beside you today, quietly illuminating your path with clarity and calm. May your intentions be gentle yet strong, an openness to patience, kindness, and understanding in every interaction. Ask for protection from heaviness and distraction, and for the courage to face challenges with serenity. Let hope bloom within, like sunlight filtering through clouds, reminding you that each moment holds the possibility of growth, joy, and renewal. Allow yourself to envision the day unfolding with calm focus, opportunities to act with compassion, moments to pause and reflect, and the wisdom to respond rather than react. Trust that even in uncertainty, you are supported by a greater presence, a guiding light that steadies your steps and lifts your spirit. Feel your heart expand with intention to nurture your own peace, to radiate patience to those around you, and to embrace the day with openness and clarity. Know that this simple act of prayer, this quiet alignment of thought and heart, has the power to transform ordinary moments into meaningful experiences. As you carry this prayer forward, consider, what would change if every choice you made today flowed from calm, hope, and a deep sense of purpose? Take a moment to feel the rhythm of your breath, the gentle rise and fall that reminds you of life's quiet, steady presence. Imagine your heart as a garden. Each thought and intention is seed. With gratitude, plant seeds of patience, hope, and trust. Let the sunlight of awareness nourish them, allowing each intention to grow steadily into strength, clarity, and peace. Consider the guidance that has led you here, the subtle signs, the moments of insight, the quiet nudges of your heart. Each one is a reminder that you are never truly alone, that wisdom and support surround you even when the day feels heavy. Carry this awareness forward. With every choice, every interaction, you have the power to align with compassion, mindfulness, and purpose. Reflect on the blessings often taken for granted, the warmth of connection with loved ones, the comfort of safe spaces, the resilience you've discovered within yourself during challenges. Let gratitude flow naturally, filling your awareness like a calm river, steady and nurturing. In this space, notice how hope quietly blooms. It is not a distant dream, but a presence that steadies your steps and lifts your spirit in subtle, constant ways. Feel the strength that arises from intentional focus, the quiet courage that comes from aligning heart and mind. Imagine moving through your day grounded in this awareness, meeting each moment with gentleness, wisdom, and clarity. Each breath you take is a reminder that you are capable of peace even amidst uncertainty, that guidance is always available if you pause to notice it. Let this reflection settle deeply. You are carrying within you the tools to transform ordinary experiences into meaningful moments. Gratitude, hope, and mindfulness are not just feelings. They are practices that shape the way you respond, the way you see the world, and the way you nourish your spirit. Allow yourself to feel the subtle power of this inner alignment, trusting that it will guide every thought, every step, every interaction. As you hold this awareness, ask yourself gently, what if today, every decision, every word, every pause flowed from this place of calm, hope, and strength? How would it change the rhythm of your day, the lightness of your heart, the clarity of your mind? Feel the presence of stillness settling fully into your heart, as if every worry, every doubt, has gently dissolved into a calm sea of awareness. Let gratitude rise within you like sunlight flooding a quiet valley, bright, warm, and illuminating every shadowed corner of your mind. Breathe in this sense of presence, this deep alignment, and feel it spreading through every fiber of your being. Today, you are not simply moving through time. You are fully awake to its beauty, its potential, its guidance. Remember the quiet moments that have shaped you, the challenges that taught you patience, and the blessings that arrived when least expected. Each of these experiences is a thread in the tapestry of your life, weaving together resilience, hope, and wisdom. Allow yourself to see that even the smallest act of kindness, each intentional thought, carries profound power. It shifts energy, nurtures your spirit, and touches others in ways unseen. Imagine your heart opening fully now, like a flower reaching for the light. Let hope flow through you as a steady river, carrying away tension, fear, and doubt. Feel your inner strength rising in gentle waves, reminding you that you are capable of facing today with courage, clarity, and compassion. You are supported, guided, and connected to a presence greater than any single moment or challenge. Trust this guidance. Let it fill your thoughts, shape your intentions, and guide your actions with wisdom and grace. Consider the possibilities that arise from this alignment. The ability to speak with patience, to act with clarity, to respond with empathy rather than reaction. Each decision becomes a reflection of the calm, hope, and inner strength you are cultivating in this very moment. Feel the energy of these intentions resonating through your mind, body, and heart, reinforcing that your spirit is capable of transformation, resilience, and deep joy. Let gratitude now become a living force within you, touching every part of your being. Gratitude for the breath that sustains you, for the guidance that lights your path, for the love that surrounds you, and for the courage that has carried you here. Allow this gratitude to expand, connecting you to the beauty in the world, the lessons hidden in challenge, and the quiet assurance that you are always guided, always supported, and always capable of renewal. Hold this awareness close, letting it permeate your entire being. Feel the calm, the hope, and the clarity solidifying into a quiet power within you. This is the moment of alignment, where intention meets presence, and the heart recognizes its own strength and guidance. Carry this energy forward as a beacon for your day, a reminder that you are grounded, centered, and capable of responding with peace, compassion, and clarity in every situation. And now, as you rest in this space, ask yourself gently, how might today unfold if every choice, every word, and every action flowed from this deep, unwavering sense of hope, gratitude, and inner strength? What new possibilities could you embrace when your spirit is fully awake to guidance, aligned with purpose, and open to the blessings surrounding you? Take a slow, intentional breath and let yourself settle into the quiet wisdom of this moment. Feel the warmth of gratitude lingering in your heart, the gentle reassurance of guidance, and the steady pulse of hope that carries you forward. Today, you have paused not merely to reflect, but to realign. to connect your intentions, your actions, and your spirit with a deeper sense of purpose. Consider how the calm and clarity you've nurtured here can flow into every part of your day. Each word you speak, each choice you make, carries the power to reflect patience, compassion, and mindfulness. Even the smallest gesture, a smile, a kind word, a moment of understanding, becomes a ripple of light, a way to carry this prayer outward into the world. Let your heart guide these moments, letting gratitude and hope shape your thoughts, decisions, and interactions. Remember, mindfulness is not only in quiet reflection, it is in living with awareness, noticing the blessings often hidden in ordinary moments. Feel the strength and clarity you have cultivated as a gentle anchor. It reminds you that no matter what unfolds, you can respond with intention, calm, and compassion, rather than being swept away by stress or distraction. Your spirit is resilient, and each conscious choice today is a reaffirmation of that inner strength. Carry forward the understanding that guidance is always present, and that hope is never out of reach. Allow gratitude to transform your perspective, illuminating the path before you and revealing the beauty in challenges, lessons, and opportunities alike. Know that you are capable of living with clarity, purpose, and a heart open to kindness, both for yourself and for those around you. As you prepare to step fully into your day, bring with you the sense of alignment you have cultivated. Let your intentions be clear, your mind be centered, and your heart be open. Remember that every breath, every action, and every moment can be an expression of this deeper awareness, a way to carry the peace, hope, and inner strength you have nurtured here into the world. And now, as you move forward, ask yourself, what if today every choice flowed from this place of calm, gratitude, and purpose? What new light could you bring to yourself, to others, and to the world when your heart is fully awake, your spirit aligned, and your intentions guided by clarity and hope? Let this question linger gently, inspiring every step you take, and let the energy of this prayer continue to flow through you long after this moment has passed.